Hi guys, and welcome to this week's vlog. I decided to do a weekly vlog for this week's video, or maybe alongside this week's video. It's gonna be pretty chill, low-key, but first I want to give you guys a life update. On Saturday, I was working out and I injured myself. So basically on Saturday I was doing squats and I was in the upward motion, and all of a sudden something inside of me cracked or popped or pulled or pinched. I'm not really sure, but I felt like I could hear it because of how well I felt it in my lower back and like hip area on my left side, like this area, can't even see. It was so painful. I instantly, I somehow got the bar on the rack and then like crumbled, and Adam was like, "Are you good?" I was like, "No, I'm not good, no." So he had to like lift me and try to sit me down somewhere, but sitting was so painful, and then he like put me on a wheelie chair and was trying to help me. Anyways, we ended up having to leave the gym and I had to just lay still, and he got me a heating pad and medicine and stuff. Anyways, by the next day, after pretty much staying still all of Saturday, on Sunday I felt a lot better, but slowly as the day went on it kind of tightened up again, was hurting. I mean, it was hurting anyways, but it got a little more intense. But again, the heating pad is a lifesaver, and today I'm feeling better. It feels really tight, like I need to stretch it out or something, but it still really hurts. So I'm just gonna take it easy. Today's workout will probably just be a walk, maybe outside, maybe at the gym. Yeah, I said walk and Blue's down here like, "You don't do good on walks without Daddy. I can't take you." Anyways, so that's what I'm dealing with today. Today I also need to plan for tomorrow's podcast episode. JC's coming over and we're gonna record, so I'm gonna use my podcast planner that my mother-in-law got me, which is so cool. So I'm excited to use that, and I'll plan out for tomorrow's episode. Don't worry, I'll vlog us. Not recording, but you know. And yeah, today's kind of like laundry, cleaning, just doing it at a slower pace. And yeah, that's today. But Wednesday is an exciting day. I'm getting my hair done on Wednesday, so keep watching and you'll get to see that transformation. But I'll probably have already posted a hair transformation video that will go up on Wednesday. So yeah, stay tuned. Anyways, welcome to the weekly vlog. We're gonna go make lunch and then fold laundry. Yeah, let's go. I also forgot that today JC and I are doing a live for our workshop that we're doing, so I'm going to her studio at 3:30, so I have to make myself look more presentable than this. I'm thankful for this backlighting right now, so you can't really see my face. Excuse me. Does anyone else hate folding laundry? It's probably one of my, oh, no, I'm not playing right now. Hey, no, we're not playing right now. Your toy. It's probably one of my more despised tasks, just because it's so tedious and I feel like it hurts my back, and my back's already hurting, like I told you. But also, worse than laundry is dishes. Please leave a comment down below what you think is worse, laundry or dishes. In my opinion, excuse me, sir. No. In my opinion, it's dishes. It's Monday, so a new podcast episode came out, so I'm gonna fold the laundry and listen to it. The worst part about laundry, socks. And they never out, there's always a match missing. Let's see if we get through this load and have all the matches. Alright, these are all the lone socks. We gotta go find their mates somewhere. So today's turning out to be a little more exciting than I thought it would be. I have the live that I have to go do with JC, and then my sister-in-law and two of the girls are coming into town to do some shopping, so I'm gonna go meet them for that because why not? I heated my back while I ate lunch, so I'm feeling relaxed, and now I'm gonna get ready. Okay, and now I'm ready. Realizing that a time lapse probably wasn't a great way to show you guys how I get ready, but I wasn't really showing you how I get ready because I'm not very good at it. But yeah, now I'm ready for the day, and it's 1:22. I'm supposed to meet the girls at 1:45. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna sit on my phone for a little bit, relax my back. I don't doing the laundry and stuff has kind of strained it, so this is why I shouldn't do laundry, Adam. Just kidding. It's fine usually, but squeaky floors. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna sit down on the couch and heat my back for a little bit. You're silly. Come on, they can see us in there. Abby, they can see you. Come on my hand. Hold my finger while we walk downtown. All right, so I just got done walking downtown with the girls and Jenna, and now I have a little less than an hour before I'm supposed to go to JC Studio to do the live. So I'm at Target, and we're just gonna see what we can find. I have a piece of hair in my mouth. I want to get some shoes that I saw here the other day when I was with my other sister-in-law, Meg. Really cute sandals, so I want to see if they have those in my size. And then I kind of want to look for a dress for my cousin JP's wedding, which is in the beginning of April. So we'll see. I mean, obviously I have dresses that I could wear, but if I get a new spring dress, I can wear it for Easter and then his wedding. I probably won't. We'll see. We'll just see. We're at Target and we're gonna see what we get up to. This mirror is on sale and I feel like we need it because it's this cute wood and that's the price. I feel like we need it. I just finished at Target and I really didn't get anything. I got those plates and cups. I'll show you. I got this color because I think it's so cute and so fun, and it'll be good for down the road when we have kids or just when we have guests over, whatever, or nieces and nephews. So yeah, so now I'm gonna head to JC Studio. I really wanted to buy that mirror, but we just really don't have a place for it. And Target's dresses are all so big and flowy, and if I were pregnant, that would be perfect, but I'm not, so I don't really want that. Anyways, and those shoes were $34 when I don't know why I thought they were $14. Anyways, so I just decided against them. Gonna go to JC Studio now. I'm at the studio with JC now. I forgot to vlog. We did our live. You guys can check us out at Floral and Fedora Workshop on Instagram. Floral and Fedora Workshop. Check it out. And you have to, wait, I'm gonna flip the camera. You gotta see JC's hat wall.
But it,
not full, but
that's very empty. We'll have to fill it up.
yeah, it's cute. But yeah, guys, we are doing a workshop and we're super excited. So, I mean, if you're watching this and you're a photographer, videographer in our area, check it out. I'll link the website below.
Come hang out with us. Ooh, yeah, link the website. That'd be good.
Yeah, so check it out. Now we're just gonna chat, and JC got me another coffee, so.
All the coffee.
So you know how I said that this was just gonna be a relaxed Monday doing laundry? Well, now I'm on an engagement shoot with JC for one of my sister's friends. So I was just like, I'll tag along and get some content. But yeah, so we're doing that. We're doing the thing.
We're just shooting some pics.
And it's fun. I'll show you some behind the scenes. Came home to find Adam taking down the Christmas lights like a boss. What did I stutter? Blue, I'm so happy Daddy's home on his thing. Tomorrow Blue's gonna have a play date with Piper.
Oh, nice. Are you excited? You excited? Stop. Sit. Ready? Catch. Good catch.
All right, I just made dinner, chicken Alfredo with broccoli. Adam's serving up, and we're
Chicken. Oh, you already have your chicken.
yep. And we're just gonna eat, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do a peace out for me, Adam.
Peace.
To vlog.
My hair looks fantastic.
We look great.
this is how we look when we're podcasting, guys. We've got the audio stuff all set up, and JC's got the outline of what we're going to talk about. We've got our coffee. Where's mine? And we're going to podcast. So make sure you listen. The link will be down below. It'll probably be coming out soon by the time this comes out. Or we'll be out. It'll be great. Give it a listen. In that hole. Looks like it must be out there. She went. So I just finished doing a workout. Put my sweatshirt back on so that you guys didn't have to see me in my sports bra. But I'm cleaning now, and I wanted to show you guys this rug rake, I guess. You can't really, I don't know if you can see it or not. But I want to show you how well it works. If you have pets, this is really great for, like I said, raking your rug, and then it gets all of the hair up so that your vacuum can truly clean it. Let me give you, not a tutorial, demonstration. That's the word. So far, that's the hair that I've gotten out of this rug. And basically, you just take the rake like this, and you go along the rug, just like so. And you can already see it's pulling the hair right out. Anyways, I'm gonna do that. Disgusting. Okay guys, it's Wednesday, and today I'm getting my hair done. We have Gideon down here watching his Blippi, and yeah, my mom's gonna come watch him while, if you don't know who Gideon is, it's the little boy that I babysit currently. Not for much longer. That's okay, right? Yeah. Yeah, he's just trying to turn the TV back on. Okay, yeah, so today I'm getting my hair done, so I'm gonna do the before and the after, but obviously the that lighting. Obviously the transformation video will already be up, so you'll probably have already seen it, but yes, let's get some befores. Who's the boss?
Me.
No, me.
Baby.
Yes, me.
Baby. Big boss.
I'm the big boss, and what are you?
Me is the boss.
You're the little boss?
Yeah.
Oh, you can be the boss of the toys. I'm the boss of everything else, okay? Thumbs up? Hello. It's been a minute since I did my workout and recorded that time lapse that I actually have no idea if it worked well or not. I have since done other things, like got ready for the day, and I'm just now trying to record a show that I want to watch later, and I have to go to the chiropractor now. I just came home quick till it blew out. I had a bride meeting with JC and one of our brides for 2022, and yeah, so I'm going to the chiropractor now, hopefully to get my back situated. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. That's what's happening. And then tonight I'm going to clean my house really well, so might not see you for the rest of Thursday, but I'll be back tomorrow vlogging. But I'm still loving my hair, in case you were curious. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to update you on. Okay, going to the chiropractor. In case you guys were wondering what show I want to record, it's this one. If you follow the Rambling Redhead on Instagram, then you know. All right, I'm back from the chiropractor. I'm heating my back. I've actually been back for a while. I cleaned the whole house and made dinner, so I'm just waiting for Adam to get home. But I wanted to give you guys an update on what the chiropractor said. Basically, he said that my back is jacked up, and he's hoping that it's the SI joint and not disc. and I have to heat it for 10 minutes, ice it for 10 minutes, and do that for like, I don't know, like maybe an hour, 30-minute period, and take ibuprofen to reduce the swelling. He did adjust me and stuff, but after he adjusted me, he said my left side was still really tight. So he wants me to come back on Monday. So I'm going back on Monday. I'll keep you guys updated if you care, but I do feel like it's not as much pressure since he adjusted me, so that's good. And yeah, now Adam and I are just gonna relax tonight. I'm gonna finish this book that I'm reading and just heat and ice my back. So see you guys tomorrow. Oh, what are you doing, Kian? Nothing.
Look at those.
I was throwing Blue's ball and it went in the bathtub. So he's just chilling in here. Get your ball. This bath is gross, so just ignore it. It's gonna be replaced eventually. Get your ball. What are you doing? Why are you just sitting in the bath? It's not bath time. So I just started opening this package, but then I thought, you know, it might be interesting for the vlog. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Blue, what are you gonna help? So basically I ordered this tripod so that I could vlog better with my camera and not use my phone all the time. So let's get it out. And here it is. Okay, a few cool things about this. One, it's a swivel head, feels very sturdy. Two, came with this adapter so that you can put your phone on it so we can do reels and stuff. And it's Bluetooth, so it came with this little clicker if you want to take pictures and stuff. Which, I mean, I guess it's not Bluetooth, but this is a little Bluetooth thing that you can pair with your phone, which is pretty cool that it came with this. And it also came with this adapter, which I don't know what this is for. Also, just wanted to show you that it bends all the different ways, so you can hook it onto things, and it feels super sturdy. And also I could hold it out, and yeah, I'm very excited about it. All right, Adam and I are, heading to, is this the best way to go? Heading to dinner with his parents, so I just thought I'd vlog. Adam's barely been in this.
Going to Log Dogs.
It's
Pretty
a
excited.
local bar restaurant.
Loggers is the actual name, in case you guys want to hit it up whenever you're in Aberdeen.
Yeah,
Big tourist destination.
for sure. Storybook Land, all the things. Anyways, so that's probably gonna be our Friday night. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog anymore for this week, so if not, this is my peace out. Have a great weekend. I'm guessing this will come out on Sunday, so have a great week. Whenever you watch this, have a great whatever it is. And thanks for watching. But if I vlog again, then this isn't the end. But if it is the end, you'll know if there's an end card next.